Is it recording? I need to check. So, okay, it is recording. Hey guys, how's it going? So, I just walked out of my house. Whew. Okay, I tried to make a vlog, but the batteries ran out. So I just got some new batteries. Check it out. Check all this out, man. Woo! It has snowed a lot. I didn't know it would get this much snow. I got my sounder scarf on. I got I got a ski mask on. I got a beanie on. Wow. Wow. This snow is just like incredible. I'm taking a look at the light up there. Okay, I gotta run across the street. Woo! Woo! Holy crap! Woo! It is amazing out here. Look at all this. Look at all that fresh powder. Woo! Oh crap. Okay, my camera's getting all wet. Oh my god. I gotta get under something. Oh my god. I can actually hardly keep my eyes open. Okay. Woo! Wow. The snow is just falling incredibly. I told myself, I have to get this footage. Because if I'm going to be a great vlogger, or even, because I'm also, if I didn't tell you guys one time, I'm planning on going to college and getting a degree in radio broadcasting, or probably in communication arts. I just heard some voices. Woo! Oh my god, I gotta get under cover. The snow just keeps getting in my eyes. Woo! Okay. Woo! Okay, my camera's all wet. Is it still recording? Okay, cool. Oh my god. Woo! Oh my god, guys. You have no idea how unnormal this is. This is seriously a very unnormal event for Washingtonians, or Western Washingtonians, or something. I don't know how to pronounce it. Oh my god. It's amazing at how much snow is coming down. And I tell you this, literally, let me see. Alright, there's the flags. Let me see if I can get a good close-up. Yeah, that's how. Whew. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's amazing. It's simply amazing. I'm going to keep my gloves right here with me. Look at my scarf. Look at my scarf, guys, if you can see it. Look at this. Let me see. Okay. Got it? Look at this. Look how covered in snow I am. That's how fast this wind is blowing. Or that's how much snow has been falling. Okay, now I'm journeying back out into the snow. And the wind in the snow is amazing. The snow, it keeps getting into my eyes, and it's actually hard to believe. It's actually getting really hard to see, because I gotta keep squinting my eyes. And then you see the flags right there. It's blowing my way. It's blowing right into my face. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh man, what a going away present this is for me. I hope for snow, and I hope for blizzard conditions, and basically it looks like we might actually get snow. The snow might actually stick. I'm hoping. Look at this. Look how much snow is here. Look at this. This never happens here in Western Washington. Hardly. Okay, I gotta get under cover. Whew. The last time this ever happened here, and you can see how drenched I am in snow. Look at this. Look at me. I am seriously almost covered in snow. And sorry if you hear the sound effects, but I'm trying to clean my camera off, like wash it off. But the last time this type of weather actually happened, it was 2008, the winter of 2008. We had a hell of a blizzard here. 2 weeks of nonstop snowfall in Western Washington. Western Washington alone. Western Washington, it hardly gets that much snow. Maybe it'll get a couple of inches, and it'll also maybe stop for a while. Then it'll melt, and then maybe a week later it will snow again. But for 2 days, I'm out of breath, guys. For 2 days straight, it's been nothing but snow, snow, snow. And I'm actually really thankful for that. I'm hoping, I seriously want the snow to last for a while now. But watch my feet. Look at my feet. Look how much snow I keep dragging. That's amazing. That's amazing. Like I said, I'm not used to... Whoa! Here we go. Look at that. Wind's picking up at a pretty good miles an hour. I mean, so far, wow. I mean, this snow is just falling at an incredible rate. The wind is now I'm actually facing in which direction the wind is blowing. And it's actually, if I'm talking too loud, I'm sorry about that. Oh, okay, I really need to get undercover. Okay, I'm done. Oh my God. I'm over here at Spanaway Lake, by the way. Wow. I mean, this is just incredible. Okay, check me out right here. Okay, you can't see it. You may think I'm over dramatic right now, but I'm not. It is literally freezing cold right now. I mean, it's in the 20s. That's freezing for us. Oh my God. By the way, if you guys are following me on Twitter, and I'm guessing you guys are not, or if you're friends with me on Facebook, which you're not, that's okay. I'm going to be posting the 2 days of snow. The 2 days of snow that we've had here. I'll post it on my Twitter account. I'll post it on the TwitPics. You guys can take a look at it, and I'll post the rest of the pictures on my Facebook account. Oh my God, this is just incredible. Hang on, let me put you guys down real quick. Okay, you guys are good. I need to put my gloves on. My hands are getting freezing. I mean, like I said, the last time this actually happened was in 2008, and it was a hell of a storm. There we go. It was a real hell of a storm. I mean, oh my God, I finally got my breath catched. I mean, I know people are enjoying the snow. People have got to be enjoying the snow and I think this is actually going to be enough to cancel school tomorrow. Oh my God, this is incredible. I've never seen it blizzard like this. Oh crap! Ah! I'm only kidding, guys. The snow is moving in my direction. I figured I'd do kind of like a horror flick. Let me flip open it. Oh my God. Wow. Woo! What a snowstorm! Crikey! Woo! It's Crocodile Hunter in the snow. Oh. I'm in the right pants for the snow because I don't mind if these pants get wet. Again, like I said, I gotta cover my camera up. I don't know if it'll do any damage to it, but I'm only being sick. But look at this. This is nice. As you can see from right here, that's at least a few good inches of snow. Real good few inches of snow. And I gotta put you guys a little far back. I mean, the blizzard that actually happened here, we got about at least, we got at least about maybe a foot and a half of snow here. And I tell you one thing, I enjoyed every minute of it. Woo! I am seriously gonna be taking pics of this. All right, guys. Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I gotta end it right here. Okay, guys. Peace out.